Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners get more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing. And have you ever considered hiring a marketing agency to expand your digital marketing presence? Well, today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the right marketing package for your cleaning business. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to consider is, what are your goals for your cleaning business? You know, a lot of people maybe need leads immediately, and so they jump into paid ad strategies like Google or Facebook ads. And then other people are more looking for a long-term game plan that's going to continue to bring in traffic and leads on a passive basis. And other people are looking for a combination of both. So it really just depends on what your goals are and what type of marketing package you want to implement to get the best results for your cleaning business. So a couple different things that you definitely want to look for in a kind of marketing package you implement for your cleaning business. So the first one is something that's going to focus on strategy and optimizing your cleaning business website. You know, one thing that we find that happens to a lot of cleaning business owners is they are really focused on, getting more traffic, getting more leads, and that's great. But one thing that we find is a lot of times in their ambitious goals to do that, they neglect the actual layout of their website, the website design, how it actually functions. And so a lot of times, even if you optimize with great content, you're driving a lot of traffic, you're running paid ads to your website, well, if it looks like garbage, right? If it's not high quality, it doesn't have the right things in place, it actually doesn't matter, because as soon as people arrive on your website, they end up leaving. So even if you do all the right steps to bring more people to your site, it doesn't really matter. So work with a company that understands the optimal layout for a cleaning business website to help you generate more traffic and leads. The next thing you want to look for is a marketing package that's going to help you expand your local search for your cleaning business. Most cleaning businesses aren't national. They focus on a specific area and location. And so optimizing your business to appear in local search is very important. And so one way to do that is with Google My Business Management. And so, Google My Business, it's what's going to really help you actually show up in Google Maps. And so again, if somebody's searching for things like janitorial service near me, commercial cleaning near me, house cleaning near me, right? Various things like that, you're going to actually show up in the maps. And so optimizing your Google My Business page is essential, and it's one aspect of a marketing package you likely want to look for, because a lot of cleaning business owners we find maybe have a Google My Business page, but they're not really fully utilizing it. They're not getting reviews, they're not posting photos, they're not geotagging images on their Google My Business page, they don't have all their services listed. A lot of times we find too, they're in the wrong category. So they're set up as like a laundry service instead of a cleaning business. So various things like that. So look for a marketing package that has Google My Business Management. Some other things to look for when it comes to local SEO are things like citation management with online business directories, and also a company that understands how to create location pages for your cleaning business. So these are very important, again, for local SEO. One, with the citation management, there's going to be a lot of different directories and business listings online that you can actually submit your cleaning business to. And so what this does is actually going to give you a lot of different backlinks to your website, which actually makes them appear better in the search results. So it's a very important thing to do. And now on top of that, when it comes to creating location pages, that's another great strategy to use to promote your cleaning business locally. And so, for each of the cities that you serve, the counties that you serve, different areas that you really target and do business in, those are great things to build out pages for. And so again, it's going to optimize for the location. It's going to talk about your service, your difference as a cleaning company, great things to utilize to promote your business locally. So if you're hiring a marketing agency or looking looking for a marketing package, one great thing to use is one that focuses on local SEO. Another thing to look for in a marketing package is one that's focused on content marketing. And so there's a lot of aspects of content marketing. Some of the common ones that we recommend using are blogging and video marketing. And so these are very important because for a couple of reasons, but one of them is that it creates a system that's actually going to drive traffic to your website 24/7, because both of those also capitalize on SEO. Again, blogging and video marketing with like YouTube, for example, where you can put content into the marketplace. It's going to provide value to your ideal customers, so you're not going to come off as like pitchy or spammy. But then also what that's going to do is it's going to attract your ideal customers, help build a relationship with them, build trust, position you as a credible expert in the industry. And then again, it drives traffic to those offers 24/7, which is very important. So one thing to understand is that while local SEO is very important, things like location pages, Google My Business, another great strategy to bring in a lot more eyeballs on your cleaning business is with blogging. And so writing quality content on your site that serves your target audience is going to actually attract people that aren't necessarily searching for terms specific to like cleaning business, but it's going to be related to cleaning. And so again, when people are looking for cleaning tips, cleaning hacks, floor maintenance, building care guides, different things like that, that's actually going to attract your ideal customers to your website. And then you can sell to them your cleaning services on the back end. So look for a marketing agency that knows how to set up content creation for your business. And it's a very important aspect to marketing your business digitally. Another thing to look for when it comes to business marketing packages is a lead generation strategy. So again, you can drive traffic with paid ads, you can set up the blog posts, but lead generation is very important. So a lot of people see it as people just kind of requesting a free quote, which is important, but understand that not every single person that visits your cleaning business website for the first time is actually ready to get a quote, right? They might be in research mode, they may be just kind of considering hiring a cleaning service. Maybe they do in-house cleaning at like their school or their place of business, and they're not necessarily sure if they want to hire out an outside company to take care of that. And so a lead generation system is something that you can actually do to get those names and emails, to generate leads from those people that maybe aren't necessarily ready to buy today, but they could be your ideal customers in the future. And so the first step of that is developing a lead magnet. So if you don't already have one of these, definitely look for an agency that can help you create one. And basically what it is, it's something of value that you can give away for free in exchange for your ideal customer's name, email, and phone number. So again, maybe you're in residential cleaning, you might give away like a cleaning hacks guide or like a buyer's guide for cleaning products. Or maybe you're in commercial cleaning, and so you're talking about like a cost savings guide or how to maintain different aspects of the building. So floor care, carpet care, bathroom care, right? Different things like that. So you want to focus on something that your ideal customer wants and is good enough to actually give you their name and email and potentially phone number. A lot of people will just set up like a newsletter list. That's fine, you can certainly have that, but most people don't really care about a newsletter list. Everyone has one. So ideally what you want to do is give away something of value that they're actually willing to give you their information for. So definitely look for a marketing package that does contain some type of lead generation aspect. Another kind of package you might be interested in and want to look for your cleaning business is something that involves email marketing. Now, email marketing is one of the best ways to turn cold traffic to your website into a warm lead that's ready to buy and become your customer. And how this works is that when someone downloads one of your lead magnets as part of that lead generation strategy, basically they're going to get plugged into an email list, and there might be an email series that's already built out in advance. So as soon as somebody becomes a lead, they're going to start getting a series of emails that's basically going to continue to provide value, answer their questions, and then also sell your services on the back end. And again, when timing's right for these people, they end up reaching out to your cleaning company versus a competitor. And now you can also use this in conjunction with a content marketing strategy. So every time that you create a blog post or a YouTube video, an ebook, right? Whatever the case might be, every time you do that, you send that out to that email list. It's very time friendly, right? You know, maybe only takes 10, 15 minutes to write a quality email and send out that broadcast, but now you're reaching potentially hundreds, if not thousands of people that fall into that category of potentially being your ideal customers. And so it's a great way to leverage your business, have it grow passively while you're doing other things. So look for a marketing package that contains email marketing and have an agency help you with that if you don't know how to do that on your own. The final thing to look for is a paid advertising strategy. So look for a marketing package that contains paid ads. So being that Facebook ads, Google ads, these are great options to promote your cleaning business. Now, typically we don't necessarily recommend only doing paid ads or only doing the other steps that I talked about, because they kind of have each their own benefits and disadvantages, right? So the organic strategies that I talked about earlier, they're great. They really build that long-term foundation to continue to drive traffic to your business on a passive basis. But they don't happen overnight, right? You know, it takes time for a blog post to rank, to get views on YouTube, to grow that email list, right? All these different things are great, but they're not instant results. Where again, when it comes to paid advertising, you actually can start getting leads rather quickly, right? Within a few days to a few weeks, your ads could be optimized to get high quality leads for your business. Now, the downside of this is that it's pay to play, right? So if you stop running ads, you stop getting that exposure, you stop getting leads, you stop getting traffic. For that reason, we really recommend a combination of both the paid ads and the organic strategies I talked about, because when you do that, you're going to start to get leads quickly from the paid ads, but then it's going to start to balance out with that organic traffic. And as you continue to build up that organic traffic, it can even get to the point where it's outworking the paid ads and you're no longer putting money into that. You're just continuing to build that content marketing system to promote your cleaning business. So again, hopefully you guys got some benefit and value out of this video. If you'd like to learn more about our marketing packages and how we help cleaning business owners succeed online, there's a survey below this video where you can actually fill that out so we know more about your business, and then we can actually set up a time to hop on a call to walk you through some of the next best steps you can do to market your cleaning business. So again, click the link below this video to fill out that survey and schedule a call with our team. But also, if you're just struggling in general, maybe you're more of a do-it-yourself kind of person, right? And you want to learn how to get more leads for your cleaning business, we also put together a free training video on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to generate more quality leads for your business, you're struggling to find out where those come from, definitely check out that video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. And we have a link below the video to access that there as well. But once again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.